Hello everybody, welcome back to HD Interiors. Modern kitchens have evolved into spaces that balance beauty, comfort, and everyday practicality. Clean lines, thoughtful layouts, and carefully chosen materials create an atmosphere that feels both welcoming and refined. More than just a place for cooking, the kitchen has become a central part of modern living, a space designed for gathering, organizing, relaxing, and connecting. From elegant cabinet designs to smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of space, modern kitchens focus on simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Natural textures, soft lighting, and seamless finishes work together to create interiors that feel timeless, organized, and visually calming. In this collection, discover inspiring kitchen designs that combine modern aesthetics with intelligent organization ideas, stylish cabinetry, and complementary details that elevate the entire space. Modern kitchen design is centered around openness, efficiency, and visual balance. Every element is carefully arranged to create a space that feels spacious, functional, and effortlessly elegant. Clean architectural lines, uncluttered surfaces, and seamless layouts help establish a calm and sophisticated atmosphere throughout the home. Open-concept kitchens continue to create a strong connection between cooking, dining, and living areas, allowing the entire space to feel brighter and more connected. Large kitchen islands often become the focal point, offering additional workspace while also creating a comfortable social area for casual dining and everyday gatherings. Minimalist kitchen designs emphasize simplicity through smooth surfaces, handleless cabinetry, and refined material choices that maintain a clean and modern appearance. At the same time, warm contemporary kitchens introduce natural wood textures, soft neutral tones, and layered finishes that add warmth and character without overwhelming the space. Luxury modern kitchens often combine stone surfaces, integrated appliances, ambient lighting, and elegant material contrasts to create a polished and elevated aesthetic. Whether the design is sleek and minimal or warm and inviting, modern kitchens focus on creating spaces that feel visually harmonious, highly functional, and timeless in their appeal. A well-designed modern kitchen is defined not only by its appearance but by how intelligently it is organized. Storage plays a central role in maintaining a clean, functional, and visually balanced space where everything has its place and daily routines feel effortless. Deep pull-out drawers help keep cookware neatly arranged and easy to access, eliminating clutter from countertops while improving workflow during cooking. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into cabinetry, allowing appliances and utensils to remain out of sight while preserving a sleek and uninterrupted visual flow. Pantry systems designed with full extension shelving make it simple to organize dry goods in a clear and accessible way. Vertical storage solutions maximize unused wall space, offering dedicated areas for trays, cutting boards, and spices without sacrificing floor space. Corner cabinet systems transform previously unused areas into highly functional storage zones, while built-in waste and recycling units maintain cleanliness without disrupting the design. A thoughtful balance between open shelving and concealed storage adds both practicality and visual depth, ensuring the kitchen remains organized, efficient, and aesthetically refined at all times. Kitchen cabinets play a defining role in shaping the overall identity of a modern kitchen. Their design, finish, and structure directly influence both the visual style and the functional performance of the space, making them one of the most important elements in contemporary interiors. Sleek flat-panel cabinet doors remain a dominant choice, offering a smooth and uninterrupted surface that enhances a clean and modern aesthetic. Handleless designs and push-to-open systems further simplify the look, reducing visual noise while maintaining practical usability. Natural wood finishes continue to bring warmth and depth into modern kitchens, balancing minimal design with organic texture. These are often paired with matte surfaces in neutral tones such as white, beige, charcoal, and soft earthy shades, creating a refined and timeless color palette. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry is widely used to maximize storage capacity while maintaining a streamlined appearance. Glass front cabinets introduce subtle transparency, breaking up solid surfaces and adding visual interest without overwhelming the design. Integrated lighting inside cabinets and shelves further enhances both functionality and ambience, highlighting materials and improving accessibility in a subtle, elegant way. Beyond cabinetry and layout, the true character of a modern kitchen is shaped by the details that bring the entire environment to life. These complementary elements add depth, warmth, and personality while maintaining a clean and balanced aesthetic. Lighting plays a central role, especially when layered thoughtfully. Pendant lights above kitchen islands create a strong visual focal point while also enhancing functionality. Soft ambient lighting under cabinets and within shelving adds a subtle glow that makes the space feel more inviting and visually rich. Seating elements such as sleek bar stools help transform the kitchen island into a social space, blending functionality with comfort. Carefully chosen finishes and materials in seating can either complement or gently contrast the cabinetry, adding subtle design interest. Textured backsplashes introduce character without overwhelming the space, offering visual variation through stone, tile, or minimalist patterns. Indoor plants add a natural element that softens the overall look and brings freshness into the environment. When combined thoughtfully, these design details create a kitchen that feels complete, harmonious, and naturally connected, where functionality and aesthetics exist in perfect balance. Modern kitchen design brings together elegance, functionality, and thoughtful organization in a way that transforms everyday living. Every detail, from smart storage solutions to refined cabinetry and carefully selected design accents, contributes to a space that feels both practical and visually inspiring. When design and functionality work in harmony, the kitchen becomes more than just a working area. It becomes a central part of the home where comfort, efficiency, and style naturally come together. If you enjoy exploring modern interior inspiration, stay connected with HD Interiors for more design ideas that elevate everyday spaces.